here. Donald Trump becomes president tomorrow. His swearing-in marks the 58th inaugural ceremony in our nation's history. And over the course of all that time, there have definitely been some standouts. Here's our list of top inaugural trivia. How could we not start with George Washington? Our first president set a nearly impossible standard during his second inaugural address. It was only 135 words. Talk about keeping it simple. And that's a lesson William H. Harrison should have taken to heart. His address in 1841 was the longest at 8,445 words, taking about 2 hours on a bitterly cold day. Not long after, he developed pneumonia and died exactly 1 month after taking office. Harry Truman's 1949 ceremony was the first to be televised, and Ronald Reagan's second inauguration went head-to-head with Super Bowl Sunday. But those may not hold much of a torch to when Dwight Eisenhower was lassoed by a trick roper during his inaugural parade in 1953. Do you have any inaugural moments that you think deserve a shout-out? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to check out our Rated Reds, Roku, and Apple TV apps. I'm Paxton Elrod.